A conditional probability is a probability that is qualified by a condition. So for an example, they have a table here where do you smoke? And they show the results by male, female, and by total, that yes, they smoke, no, they don't, and then their totals. So we want to know what is the probability that a randomly selected individual is a male that smokes. So if I'm looking at my table, I'm really only concerned with this row here. I'm only looking at the males. I'm looking at the number that smoke, the total that smoke, and so on. So one way to look at it is that we're looking at this distribution here. We're looking at the probability that they smoke and that they're a male. Okay, so when we are looking at a conditional probability like this, we're going to have the probability of B out of A, meaning probability that they smoke and that they're male. So basically we're taking the probability of both of those occurring, dividing it by the total number of males. So if we look at our table here, we can do a Venn diagram, which you will be expected to do in your homework. But we've got the smokers here, we've got males, and this group in here is what we're actually looking at. We're looking at what proportion of the combined that they're male and they smoke out of our total big circle of males. So we're looking at the total out of that corner. We're not looking at males. What's the probability that a chosen male smokes? So we're looking at, if we take a male and we choose a person, what is the probability that they smoke? Okay. And the way we're going to look at it is we're going to take our smokes, which is the probability that they're male and smoke. So if I look up here, the probability that they're or the number of males that are people that are male and smoke is 19. We're going to divide that by our second number, which is our probability of males, or our number of males, which is 60. So 19 out of 60 is the probability that a randomly chosen male smokes. So 19 is our total number of males that smoke, 60 is our total number of males. And that would be what you would give. So we're looking at this little proportion of, like I said, this little proportion that's colored in our Venn diagram divided by our total number of males.